Hey everyone, my name is Jocelyn and today I'm going to be showing you how I use basedSKIN. I have a couple of products here that I am really excited about. I've been using them for the past 2 weeks and I definitely have noticed that my skin really loves it. So I just want to share some of my favorites with you. Before I start, I just wanted to let you know that I am a licensed esthetician here in Florida. I've been a licensed esthetician for about 3.5 years now, so I've tried a lot of products and this is definitely one of my top. When it comes to cleansers, I'm really conscious about which cleansers I choose because I have like a combination skin, and because I live in a very humid state, I tend to get a little more oil production than I would like. So I have to be very cautious about which products I choose. These products were actually sent to me, and I actually want to state that I contacted them. They didn't contact me. I was looking at their ingredients and I was really impressed by the short list of ingredients, because usually a lot of the companies out there use very, very long lists of ingredients. The less ingredients, the better in my book. First thing that I start with is the facial decongestant. It's pore fighting and it's a deep cleaning multi-purpose cleanser. And when it says multi-purpose cleanser, removes your makeup, balances the oils in your face, which actually is really important because you do need oil on your face. Oil is not a bad thing. When you do have oily skin, when you start taking off too much oil from your face, it actually works against you because you do need oil as like a barrier. So sometimes when you're taking off too much oil from your skin, you start creating actually more oil because your body's like, wait, hold on, I need that oil, let me create some more. So this is just a really balancing cleanser, which is something that I really like. And when you order it, they actually send you this cool little headband, and it comes with a little scooper so you know how much to use. Another cool thing about this cleanser is that you can use it either on a dry face or a wet face. So I like to start dry and then I go in with water. This is about all you need. It's like a jelly. It's really nice and it spreads. It smells so good. It smells like mint. And I like that it also has salicylic acid in it, which helps with preventing acne breakouts or treating acne breakouts. So all you need is that little scoop, and I'm gonna go ahead and start rubbing it on my skin. I like to start on dry skin. I just feel like it really helps smooth it out, get the makeup off. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of water and then really start going in. Another good thing about this cleanser is that now that we're all wearing a lot of masks, you definitely want something that's gonna clear out your pores, because those masks are like a breeding ground for bacteria in this area. So if you wanna clear some of that out, the facial decongestant is a really good cleanser to use. And another important thing that I noticed about this brand is that their cleansers actually don't lather, which is nice because when something lathers too much, has the potential of removing too many oils off of your skin. That can be bad. That's when you start getting like dry skin, your skin feels tight. It's just not a good feeling. Just taking off the cleanser. I've gotten the cleanser off, you guys can see that I still have like a subtle glow in my skin, which is really good because like that nice cool feeling on it, and I can just tell that it's nice and clean. My makeup is removed. So 2 steps in one, that's good in my book. So the next thing that I'm gonna go in with is the Collagen Rapid Producing Collagen Serum. Now I'm in my 30s and collagen production actually slows down the older that you get. So having something that can help produce more collagen in your skin is really great because it's going to help with that plumping, just helping with fine lines and wrinkles. This has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Vitamin E is an anti-aging vitamin that just really helps plump your skin. And hyaluronic acid is going to hydrate your skin and help hold moisture in your skin. So I usually go in with 3 drops And when it comes to serums and the order of skincare, after you cleanse your face, you want to go in with serums because they're the thinnest and it just instantly soaks into your skin. Like no residue, already soaked into my skin. I'm actually gonna do 2 more drops only because it feels so good, and sometimes I just need that extra hydration. And the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the Brightening Serum. So it's just ingredients that are gonna help plump your skin, hold on to moisture, especially if you live like in a dry area. And I go in the same. I go in with 3 drops. You guys will notice that these serums don't have any artificial coloring or fragrance, which is awesome for people who have sensitive skin. Look, it already soaked in. It's amazing. My skin feels really, really good. Something that I like to do at times when it comes to the brightening serum is just put a little more concentrated on the areas that you have some issues with. So like for me, I have some discoloration right here. So I'm just gonna put that here. That really helps with brightening the area, evening it out with the rest of your skin. So usually around this area is where a lot of people have discoloration. For example, some people have to color correct in this area only because it has like a gray cast when they put their foundation on. If you feel like that's you, the brightening serum is gonna be a really good serum for you. So I've already put on 2 serums. Don't be afraid to layer your serums. That's what serums are for. You guys can see it's like not oily, it's nice and plump. And last, I'm gonna go in with their Squalling Oil. This is literally 100% concentrate from olives. And this oil, you don't need a lot. I just do 2 drops. And it's up to you what you wanna do. But I like to do 2 drops. Don't be afraid to use this oil as a moisturizer. This oil is amazing, especially as a makeup primer. Your foundation will be glowing when you use this. I like to get like half a drop and put it here on my eyebrows. Oils on the eyebrows help with growth. And then I just kind of give myself like a little massage around my brows because we actually tend to hold tension right here. And you can also give yourself like a temple massage, go down to your jaw and massage the oil in. This oil is really nice. It doesn't have a scent to it. It doesn't have any artificial coloring, no artificial fragrances. Everything in this line is pretty clean. And I like that it's a short list of ingredients. There's literally 1 ingredient there. Look at that short list of ingredients. Another short list of ingredients. I would tell you after watching this video, go look at your skincare products and compare ingredients and see how short this list of ingredients is compared to other high-end products. It's cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, and it's safe for contact wearers. Those are the 4 products that I use. I totally recommend it. Like I said, I've been using this for a couple weeks now and I really love how my skin has been looking. So I totally recommend this if you guys are interested in trying a new line. basedSKIN is up there. Trust me, you're gonna have to try it. I hope you guys found this informative. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me at SmilingJoss. And I can't wait to try more of their products. Actually, I also want to throw in that this oil, you can also use it as a makeup remover if you put a couple drops on like a little cotton ball to help remove that waterproof mascara. And they also have a cleansing balm, which helps with makeup removal as well. So take a look at their products and I hope that you like the results that you get. Take care. Bye.